Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Talha Salim from UTech Energy. Today we are at Mezan Dairy Farm, which is located near Pattoki, and they have 2,000 American milk cows, and they have been using these two milk cows for the dairy industry in Pakistan. We have installed capacity of 1.5 megawatts of solar here. By using the solar, they are usually producing 6,000 to 8,000 units per day, and they have been offsetting this for the past 6 months, and we are hoping that they'll be having good return on investment within 6 more months. We wish them a very good luck for their energy ventures.
Let's go solar with UTech.